Okay, so in this question we were told if GDP per capita has risen from £24,000 a year to £25,125 a year, it has increased by what? So this was a question that was asking us to calculate a percentage change, because that's the only way we can decipher whether or how much a value has increased from a previous year. And to do that, we need to remember what the percentage change process is. The first thing you have to do when calculating percentage changes is to do the new value divided by the old value, which is given to us in the question, then subtract 1 away from that figure, multiply by 100 to put into percentage form, then round to 2 decimal places, and that gives you your percentage change value. So for this particular question, we first need to identify what the new and old values are. The new value is what GDP per capita has risen to, which is £25,125. The old value is what it's risen from, which is £24,000. And then we have to divide the new value by the old value to give us 1.046875. Then we subtract 1 away from this figure, which is 0.046875. And then we multiply by 100, effectively removing those zeros and shifting the decimal point to the right by 2 places, and that gives us 4.6875%. All that's left to do is clear this up and round it to 2 decimal places. So we have 4.6875. We'll start with the number furthest away, which is 5, and because that is technically derived as a number that's 5 or above, we can round that up, which causes the next number to go to 8. And because 8 is above 5, we can round that up, and that causes the next number to go to 9. And obviously we now have 2 decimal places, so the answer is 4.69, and put into percentage form, that's 4.69%. So the correct answer is that GDP per capita has risen by 4.69%.